In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Hades 2 on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The reason why it is so simple to play Hades 2 on a Mac is because the game is natively available on Mac devices. So when the game originally released, it wasn't available for Mac, only Windows natively. But they have since then updated Hades so it runs on Mac. As you can see on the patch notes of the Olympic update on October of 2024, they introduced Mac support. The game now runs natively on Macs on Apple M1 or later. So you don't have to do anything special, just purchase the game from Steam and you should be able to run it directly from your Steam library. If, for whatever reason, it is not working on your Mac, or you want to try alternative ways to get it to work, then you will have two main options. You will have cloud gaming. The service that I would recommend is Boosteroid because Hades 2 is going to be available here. So you visit boosteroid.com, sign up for an account, and then browse through all of the payment plans that they have available, and you will be able to play Hades 2 and other games available here. Alternatively, you have to use something like Crossover and Bootstrap, and you will be able to emulate, or rather, use Windows native programs on your Mac. But like I said before, this should only be needed if for whatever reason Hades 2 is not working right away on your Mac. Crossover is going to be very expensive, so if you click on buy now, you can browse through the price for 12 months support or lifetime support. So choose the version that you want to purchase and you will be able to run Hades and other games that don't natively work on your Mac. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.